issued conservatory orders temporarily suspending the implementation of the Finance Act 2023. This comes just hours before its implementation after it was assented to by President William Ruto. The move is as a result of Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah moving to court to challenge the constitutionality of the finance bill. The matter will be heard on July 5th, 2023.
Hours before its implementation, President William Ruto's administration has suffered a major setback after the High Court on Friday issued orders suspending the further implementation of the new Finance Act 2023. In a brief ruling rendered by Justice Mugure Thande of Milimani Constitution and Human Rights Division, the court barred Treasury CS Njuguna Ndung'u and Attorney General Justin Muturi and the Kenya Revenue Authority from levying, enforcing or further implementing the act that is scheduled to take effect on July 1st, pending the hearing of a lawsuit filed by Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah. The ruling reads, "I am satisfied that the application meets the test conservatory orders, and I do grant a conservatory order suspending the Finance Act 2023. An interim order of prohibition prohibiting the respondents and interested parties or their agents howsoever acting from giving effect to the Finance Act 2023, pending the hearing and determination of the case." In the suit, Omtatah and the four activists Eliud Matindi, Michael Otieno, Benson Odiwuor, Otieno and Blair Angima Ogioro have challenged the constitutionality of the finance bill, which they say is being spearheaded by the president. The petitioners say the bill contains 30 sections which contravene the constitution on taxation matters. They argue that the disputed finance bill is illegal as the government is all about to irregularly tax Kenyans without justification. Omtatah is urging the court to prohibit the Speaker of the National Assembly from transmitting to the President the Finance Bill 2023 if it contains sections 28, 30, 33, 34, 36, 52, 56, 59, 73, 74, 76, 78 and 79 of the Finance Bill 2023. That the Honorable Court be pleased to certify this application as extremely urgent and hear it ex parte as the earliest opportunity. That pending the hearing and determination of the application or the petition, the Honorable Court be pleased to issue a conservatory order suspending the Finance Act 2023. That pending the hearing and determination of the application or the petition, the Honorable Court be pleased to issue an interim order of prohibition prohibiting the respondents and interested parties or their agents howsoever acting from giving effects of the Finance Act 2023. That pending the hearing and determination of the application and the petition, the Honorable Court be pleased to issue a conservatory order suspending the schedule coming into force of the following provisions of the Finance Act 2023. Omtatah is asking the government to make public the national debt, which he claims has been exaggerated by over 3.7 trillion. The senator says figures thrown in the public show the national debt is 8.7 trillion. He claimed that monies borrowed overseas are stashed in private offshore accounts, and now Kenyans are being asked to pay those debts which finance non-existent development projects. The move comes just hours before the Finance Act will be effected after President William Ruto inked it early this week, giving room for his government to run. Brian Amuai, Look Up TV.